This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to log in your Trust Wallet on another phone. First, download and install the Trust Wallet application from your device's App Store. Once installed, open the app. You will see two main options: create a new wallet or I already have a wallet. Choose the I already have a wallet option to begin the recovery process. Make sure to accept the terms of service and privacy policy to continue. Now you will be prompted to enter your recovery phrase. Select Multi-Coin Wallet as the type of wallet you wish to import. This is crucial for accessing all your assets. Carefully type in your 12-word recovery phrase, also known as a seed phrase, exactly as you recorded it. Pay close attention to the spelling and order of each word. Even one incorrect word will prevent successful access to your funds. After entering your recovery phrase, you will be asked to set up a new password for your wallet on this device. Choose a strong, unique password that combines letters, numbers, and symbols. Confirm your password by entering it a second time to ensure there are no typos. For added convenience and security, you can also enable biometric authentication, such as fingerprint or Face ID, if your phone supports it. Your recovery phrase is the master key to your funds. Never share it with anyone, under any circumstances, as it grants full access to your wallet. Store it offline, perhaps written on paper, in a very secure and private place, like a safe. Be extremely cautious of phishing scams or suspicious websites that ask for your phrase. Trust Wallet will never ask for your recovery phrase directly. Always verify the authenticity of any request.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.